everyone, it's me BB. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making lentils, and these lentils are the side dish that was on yesterday's video, and the title of that video was called How Senegalese Make Fried Chicken. And these lentils I'm about to show you was the side dish, and this is how I make it. So lentils come from a plant, and the seed on the plants are the lentils, and they look like these little pods or like a lens-shaped seeds, and they are very rich in fiber, and they have low calories and all that good stuff. So here I have about a pound of lentil, which is almost equal to 500 grams. So I rinse it a little bit to make sure it's all clean. Then you want to drop it in a hot boiling water, and before you drop the lentils in, add a little bit of salt just to season it a little bit. Then drop it in. You want to cook it all the way until it gets tender. Mine took about 40 minutes to get tender. So while this lentil is cooking, it needs to be covered with the lid on. And if the lentils are done, it's going to be too bland just to eat it like that. That's why we're going to create the sauce. And once the sauce is finished, we're going to mix it with the lentil, so everything going to be flavorful. So in this pan, we're going to add some little bit of vegetable oil. Then we're going to drop some chopped onions. The quantity of the chopped onions are like 2 medium ones. Make sure the oil is very hot before you drop the onions in. Next, we're going to need more seasoning. That's why you have some garlic, black pepper, and jimbo. Mash everything together and drop it inside the onions. Right after that, you're going to add some little bit of tomato paste. The tomato paste needs to cook about 5 minutes, then you're going to add some water. You want to do like splashes at a time. The first splash you want to work it, make sure everything is mixed well inside, then add some more splashes. And after that, you need to let everything cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then the sauce is going to be done. Once the sauce is done, you're going to take the sauce and bring it back to the lentil pot and mix everything together. Once the sauce and the lentils are well mixed, the last ingredient that's going to be in the pot is some sugar, and it's optional, but I feel like the sugar is going to bring the naturalness, and it's going to balance all these savory flavors together. And this lentils was like a side dish for the fried chicken that I made on yesterday's video, and I will post the link right down below, so you can, if you haven't seen that video, you can go ahead and check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you back here next Sunday for another new video. Bye.